Okay, hello people. Now with June 3rd. On TV, you can see people speaking about Donald Trump, the United States president. And it is too unsensitive not to. Is it too much ego to think about the Earth's climate? So they are really so care about Earth and the climate and the situation of the planet that we're living in. So they are talking about Trump living in the climate treaty that was signed in Paris. But with all the love to the planet, they are just talking about Trump. And let's say 35 minutes ago, it was a earthquake near Alaska, a 6.9 Richter scale, which means sea can do serious damage. So it's only a tsunami alert. Only. So why don't you speak about that? Because you love the planet so much that you must speak about Trump. Yes. And earthquakes? No. You don't need to speak about earthquakes because the only thing that matters to the planet Earth is Trump. Earthquake can bring hundreds of thousands of deaths. It could move the Earth's crust. It can make climate change. It can make Earth change. It can make disaster. But no, only what Trump says. So don't say you are worried about Earth. You're worried about Trump. So, did you know there was an earthquake near Alaska? 6.9? No, because nobody talks about it. Because it's not mainstream media. So I tell you, if you care about Earth and the climate and the environment, don't follow Trump and he is agreeing and disagreeing to be in the Paris Committee on Climate. Listen to what is going on in Earth. That's only my opinion. So I will try to expedite the movie handling and processing, and I will try to get the movie that I talked today soon enough. This one is without any things. Be well, happy.